Dear lovely customers, this is Leon, sales manager of CYhair, and today I'm very excited to inform you guys that we got another customers from Brazil, especially in Rio de Janeiro, the cities of Brazil. And this customer just placed an order with us in total quantity of 100 kilograms of hair, raw human hair from Vietnam factory, and we make another CO documentaries for them. This is the CO original. Please come and take a look. Firstly, this is the details of the orders over here. They are buying hair extension, blonde colors, 613 over here, and the length which is 50, 60, 70 centimeters. Also, they are buying one of our best-selling style right now, which is Indian original wavy hair. This is one of our current best-selling models right now from CYhair factory. You can check over here, and you can see over here the gross weight over here 100 grams, and the days we see 12th of April, and this year 2022 over here. So I'm very excited to inform you guys with this new. I'm very happy, and I'm looking forward to see more orders from you guys. You can contact me, CYhair, to get the CO documentaries, which give you a lot of benefit in your importing, including reducing the tax, import tax in your country, which up to 0% in some countries, and also it will help you in your reselling a lot. You can buy and wholesale in your country very easily. I will definitely give you good quality of hair so that we can continue this long-term business. Thank you, and looking forward to see you guys in the next video.